work, work. I work with like this for some type of like this for some type of like this some type of stuff, what type of this type of stuff like camera and yeah I carry another tool with me on the side of the wrist. Kept them tools in my head like my handy man. Kept them tools in my head like I wanted genius like body the silver. Build it up. This is about the builder. Freestyle. I love me on the road. I love me on the road. Feel so great like on the feel so crazy like one of them Freestyle heroes. Like you get beat up in wheelchairs off of where I start videos. But these food for me to freestyle wave like all my Cheerios. And the only person here do coffee beans, bro. The only person here, you know, coffee beans don't need to be spoiled. But I might get turned up at the CBD oil. One day when I go out for those that represent me with children, represent me on the planet like 420. I went out for a cold like Jim Carrey giving out the jewelry. On the products like liar. On the products to create scary zone and more like just display. I mean like Jenny Slate. But either way, compare that to the old crazy with the pace. Crazy around young relations. Crazy with the R. I'm crazy. Be like Bruce the Shark. And family, Billy Madison get 5 stars. I only mention Elsa cause he's my motivation. Freestyle about him like dedication. Like when me Big Sugar Rap City Basement.